Good morning all. Today I'm going to speak about gum pads. Gum pads are alveolar arches at the time of birth. It is usually lasts for about 6 months. There are two types of gum pads, maxillary gum pads and mandibular gum pads. Their relationships are arbitrary and maxillary gum pads overlaps the mandibular gum pads and there is a vertical gap present between the maxillary and mandibular gum pads. Maxillary gum pads have four parts. First one is gingival groove, second one is dental groove, third one is transverse groove and fourth one is lateral sulcus. Gingival groove. Gingival groove separates the gum pads from the palate. Dental groove. It extends from the incisive papilla backwards to touch the dental groove of the canine region and then it runs forward to the molar region. Transverse groove. Transverse groove is the depression between the 10 segments of gum pads. Lateral sulcus. It is a transverse groove between canine and the molar sac region. Mandibular gum pads. Mandibular gum pads also have 10 segments, but they are less demarcated than maxillary arch. Then, the maxillary gum pads are horseshoe-shaped, firm structures, but whereas mandibular gum pads are U or square-shaped gum pads. Maxillary and mandibular gum pads are averted and there is an anterior open bite present while the posterior segments are still in contact. In this way, the opposing surface of the pads provide a more efficient way of squeezing milk during breastfeeding. Thank you.